No, I'm not recording when I caught this. No, no. Holy cow. Man, how big are you? Dude, you're big. I got a measuring tape. Oh, goodness. Hey, you stay right there. Oh, you're a tank. Oh, geez, don't leave me. All right, let's get you wet. There. 19 and a half. Give me a half. Tank. That's awesome. All right. You gotta love it. Okay. Man. I wasn't recording. God. Dude, that was a big fish though. Holy cow. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Well, you can see what we're doing. We're swim bait bassing. Oh yeah, look at that. That was awesome. We're swim bait bassing right now. I got some new stuff to play with today. New RUNCL Pliers, actual fishing pliers. This is my favorite part about it. Look at that. It connects to me so I can't lose it. It's always on me. There we go. Yes. All right. Nice. All right. Oh man, he ate it. Look at that. Nice. He ate it. All right. Look at that. Well, that gives me a chance to use my new toy. I got a new toy. There it is. It's a RUNCL Pliers. I have to use it right now. Ah, nice. Got it. Oh, it's a little largy to start the day. Gotta love it. There we go. Oh, we got a pike. Oh, he's got it in his mouth pretty good. Oh, I got off. Darn it. Darn it. Oh, you're okay. Darn it. Got one. I don't know if this is not big. That's a bass. Let's horse him in. Oh, just nicked him. Oh, that's bigger than the last one. But I got him. All right, let's go. All right, got one. Ooh. Sunrise bass. Nice. All right. Here's what we're working with today. This is my Exceller 2500 Daiwa. I've got 17-pound fluorocarbon, and then there's 10-pound braid on there. I've got my swim bait right now on this 3/16 ounce hook, a 5/0 hook, and I've got my Guide Series Tournament Edition 7-foot medium action. I'm looking for bass pre-spawners. It just got really warm here in Wisconsin. We went from 40 to 90, I kid you not, in a week. So the bass are probably in shallow. We'll be casting some swim baits around, seeing what happens. Oh, no. Oh, that's the end of you, buddy. Yeah. Look at you. Oh, that's a good one right away. Oh, oh, this is a good bass. Oh, I'll drag him. If you want to be dragged, I'll drag you. Oh, you ate it. That's a pretty good bass, and I just horsed him in. All right. Nice. Oh, okay, okay. Right on the edge of the lily pads. Nice. Oh, buddy. There's the sandhill crane on its nest. Yeah, I'm not very close to it. I'm trying to be nice. Look at that sandhill crane. Those things are like giant. Yeah, I felt that one. Horse him. Oh, I felt that one. Hey. Nope. Darn it. There we go. Oh, northern. Come in here. All right. Oh, you ate it. Darn. You ate it, buddy. Yes. There you go. Yes, let's go. Oh, that's big. That was a big hit. Oh, that's a good pike. Hey, come around, come around. That was a good hit. Yeah, let's go. Nice, that was a good hit. Okay, there you go. Okay, you're good. Right in there. I keep seeing surface action right in there. I'm gonna try get my doodad in there and see what happens. Something going on over here, and I wanna see. Oh, that's right away. Oh, don't get in there. No, he got off. He got in there. Darn it. No. There we go. What's up, buddy? All right. Got him. All right, let me take this thing out and test it. My fish gripper. Gotta test it, right? Oh, there you go. Oh, yeah. Totally unnecessary, but wanted to test it. Well, it works good too. That was easy. Doesn't feel like it's putting a lot of pressure on the fish. You know? Cool. All right. Oh, it's a pipe. Oh, darn it. It's in the weeds. Come here. Just get in here. Let's go. They're in shallow. Holy smokers. Nice. Okay, okay, okay. I'll get out my pliers. Let's go. Keep my paws out of your mouth. Nice. All right. All right. Let's go. All right. Nice. am in shallow water. This is where they are, I guess. See? Nice. Oh, I do have one. They ate it. Oh, big bass. Oh, good one. Yeah, a big bass. All right, this is nice. All right. Oh, yeah. Dude, you're chunk. There we go. My new toy. Look at this chunk. Oh, is he beat up? Look at him. Look at this guy. Nice. Oh. All right. No! I think that was a pike and he snapped me. No! Well, that's the end of the day. Look at me. Well, 2 thumbs up for the RUNCL gear. It's really cool too. That's the cutter on it. Links below for my pliers and gripper. All right, once again, that part is awesome. I actually am organized now, and I'm a disorganized mess usually. All right, push good buttons.